So it was a good try by YooMyr with his keyboard mods, but Consumer Sam here thinks, I can make my £100 keyboard sound as good as or better than his £200 one. Let's see who has the keys to your heart. I'm going to quickly jump through the process because I know if you are anything like us here at Double Take Tech, you've seen it too many times, so let's not bore you. A good keycap puller is a beautiful investment.
Do it.
The stabilizers are pre-lubed, means extra work for us, so fun times. Always check if there's any movement in the stabilizers, which would determine if you need to add additional material around it to remove any rattle or movement. GK96s came with a foam between the spacebar stabilizers, which I haven't seen before and is a great little touch, but it does mean you have to take apart the plate and PCB if you want to remove or change them. First step is really to clean everything. There's plenty of lube on the PCB, stabilizers and the plate, so we need to get rid of all that. I was surprised these stabilizers didn't have the fangs or legs, which everyone says you need to remove. Well done, Epomaker. First mod is to add some bandage around the area stabilizers would contact the board. This provides some much needed sound dampening. A touch of lube. I'm using Krytox 205 GO, which everyone recommends, and I think it's a good standard place to start. Soapy warm water and a cloth or tissue to dry the stabilizers. Lightly apply the lube to any area that will come in contact with another component. I ended up using my hands in the end for the bars. This was too classy for my taste. Reassemble the stabilizers. Use a bit of bandage or any soft tape on one side of the stabilizers. I'm sure I should have applied this on the side without the release mechanism. What are your thoughts? I managed to get it to work in the end, but I probably will change that in the future. Once reassembled, sounded a lot better, but this enter key was getting stuck as I obviously applied the tape on the wrong side. I made it work in the end by bullying the release mechanism tab to hug the bandage and add a bit of lube. I didn't want to for this video, but I felt like I really need to lube those switches, so I went ahead with that. With the bandage, you have to give it a couple of days to settle. Spacebar sounds a bit scratchy still. A few days and a few tweaks later, a mouse mat to help remove the table noise. Here is what it sounds like. Make sure you subscribe to see how I make this keyboard sound once I get all the switches lubed, and do a few more mods that I can think of. Over and out.